Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I got in my first shipment from Javy and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. Packaging, a little recipe card, a book all about Javy extolling its virtues, another box, which is the travel mug, Javy branded of course, a Javy tote. I think that's my first bottle of Javy. It's the original flavor. A second bottle of original. Mocha. And caramel. Finally in the box we have another box. So this is a travel drinking mug that's shaped like a coffee carton. It has an interesting shape to it, which I'm sure will not fit into any car holders. So this is the complete haul from Javy. I got in on a special for $38 total. It was buy one, get one free. And the more you ordered, the more free stuff you got. Let's see how it tastes though. This is going to be the most important part. We'll do 8 ounces of water as suggested. And do 2 teaspoons, roughly. Add in a little creamer. Sweetener. Give it a stir. And a taste. Not bad. It's not the most robust thing that I've ever tasted, but it's kind of mellow and light. And yes, I do enjoy my iced coffee with a pretty good bit of cream. Let's try adding a little bit more, see what happens. Alright. It tastes a little watery still. It's not terrible, but it's not really wowing me. So we'll see if we have any better luck with the caramel. A sweetener. That's nicer. It's still got kind of that watery mouthfeel. This is, to me, a little bit more watery than the normal iced coffee and cold brews that I have. Not my favorite in the world, but not bad. Finally, we have the mocha. Let's see if we can get some magic going with it. I'm sad to report that of the three, the mocha is the most innocuous of all. I can barely taste it, and it's not just being overshadowed by the cream, it's just the flavor of the coffee itself is not coming through as expected. So when I ordered the Javy, they enrolled me in a subscription service. This package was $38, but it would have been sent out to me monthly for $76. I just couldn't see myself drinking that much coffee, so before I even made this video, I unsubscribed. And looking back on it, I definitely made the right decision. Javy is okay. It's not terrible, but I think I'll stick with my Rocket City coffee runs. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.